If you told me that the world's ending, ain't no other way that I can spend it. Oh, oh, oh.